Hematology Exam 3 Review. 1. Basophils are granulocytic cells with large, abundant violet blue or purple-black granules. 2. The specific esterase stain indicates myeloblasts. The TDT stain indicates lymphoblasts. The Sudan black stain indicates phospholipids. The LAP stain indicates leukocyte ethylene phosphatase. The nonspecific esterase stain indicates monoblasts. The PAS stain indicates glycogen. The MPO stain indicates primary granules or peroxidase. The Prussian blue stain indicates iron. 3. The FAB uses cell type to differentiate. The WHO uses cell of origin to differentiate. The WHO considers classification over 20% blasts. The FAB classifies at over 30% blasts. 4. Cytochemical stains with what they differentiate. Periodic acid Schiff differentiates ALL or AML. The specific esterase stain differentiates granulocytes or monocytes. The nonspecific esterase stain differentiates AML or ALL. The tartrate-resistant acid phosphatase differentiates hairy cells. The myeloperoxidase stain differentiates granulocytes or monocytes. 5. The Niemann-Pick disease has bone marrow macrophages with globular or foamy cytoplasm and sea blue histiocytes. Alder-Riley has large eosinophilic granules. Chideac-Higashi has large lysosomes, fusion of primary granules. Myeloproliferative diseases have neoplastic clonal disorders characterized by increases in red cells, white blood cells, and/or platelets. 6. Match the indices to what they indicate. MCV of 91 and MCHC of 33 are both normal, so the MCV is normocytic and the MCHC is normochromic. MCV of under 80 and MCHC of over 36. The MCV is microcytic and the MCHC is hyperchromic because the MCV is too low and the MCHC is too high. An MCV of over 100 and an MCHC of under 32. The MCV is too high, making it macrocytic. The MCHC is too low, making it hypochromic. MCV reference range is 80 to 100. MCHC reference range is 32 to 36. MCH reference range is 28 to 32. MCH indication varies with hemoglobin content and cell size. 7. Alder-Riley's defining characteristics are precipitated mucopolysaccharides. The Chideac-Higashi defining characteristics are the presence of giant lysosomal granules in cells such as granulocytes, monocytes, lymphocytes, melanocytes, tissue macrophages, and platelets. Niemann-Pick defining characteristics are foam cells. 8. Matching the chromosomal abnormality to the disease. T1517 indicates AML-M3. It's retinoic acid receptor alpha gene and is associated with promyelocytes with multiple Auer rods or phagocells. T1821 is AML-M2. It's associated with myeloblasts with maturation and Auer rods. T1616 is AML-M4. also known as INV16. It's associated with myeloblasts, monoblasts, and increased eosinophils. 9. Match the stage with the description of the cell. I'll be going from least to most mature. Myeloblast has nuclear chromatin that is smooth and not clumped, and the nucleus takes up most of the cell. The promyelocyte. The nucleus has a small amount of clumping, purple granules that are nonspecific, and are distributed throughout the cytoplasm. The myelocyte has nuclear material that is clumped. Cytoplasm exhibits specific granules adjacent to the nucleus. The metamyelocyte. The nucleus is partially clumped, and cytoplasm has specific granules. The nucleus is indented less than halfway. The band neutrophil. His nucleus is clumped and indented more than halfway. Number 10. Matching the red cell inclusion with its content. Pappenheimer bodies are made of iron. Howell-Jolly bodies are made of DNA. Basophilic stippling is made of RNA. Heinz bodies are made of denatured hemoglobin. Cabot rings are made of nuclear material or membrane, mitotic spindle.